Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a 4K image to your email on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, as well as an image that we have exported in 4K. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this, open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, we will be required to go to the top left-hand corner of the screen where we have new email. Click on this. Let's now compile the whole email. Let's say hello. This is a test email. Please see the attached image. In 4K. Kind regards. And this is being sent from the admin account. Now let's add a recipient to this email. We will always be sending to the Computer Science Videos business Gmail account. Double click on this to expand. Let's add a subject. So the subject will be test email. Before we send, now let's minimize the email for the moment. Minimize the application Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to the find application. Locate your 4K image that we wish to attach to the email. So let's take that 4K image, highlight, Command C to copy. Paste to the desktop, close Finder for the moment, go to the image, right click, get info. As you can see, this is a very large image, 12.5 MB, and you can see the resolution, 3840 by 2160. We can now go around to the dock, go back to your email that you have been compiling. Now let's go to attach a file, which will take us directly to the desktop where we have the 4K image. Click on this, now choose. And now what we will do is click on send. As you can see, it's sending. And by that notification, we can see that the email itself has been sent. So what we will do is go to another desktop, go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your additional web browser, Google Chrome, click on this. Now let's navigate to our inbox within Gmail. And there we go. Click on that email that we have received that says, hello, this is a test email. Please see the attached image in 4K. Kind regards. Click on the image itself. This is a very big file for email, and henceforth it will take some time to load up on screen. And there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome. We can now go around to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.